All right, so here we got um, Adobe Media Encoder, and I'll show you really quickly how to make sure you got the right settings for Adobe Media Encoder and how to import and select the right output for the file. So here we have got Adobe Media Encoder right here. All right, I'll open up a folder from our Godzilla drive, and I'll pull in a video from, let's say, Art of Entering 2020. So I'll pull this file in right here, and I'll pull it in right here. So, the difference between these two is it just means whether you're going to put multiple clips as one file or multiple clips as separate files. So like if you're pulling video from the wide angle, you can pull the whole folder into stitched clips together, and it will combine all those video files into one file. Whereas if you put it here, it'll turn each one of those little files into separate files. So if you're doing like multiple videos, encoding them, this is a good place to do multiple ones. We'll just do this one here. So once you pull it in, you can, you just want to make sure you've got selected H.264 as the format, and that's under this drop-down menu right here. And you want to make sure you've got it as medium bitrate, match source medium bitrate. There, it's usually will put itself as high bitrate. If you want to do medium bitrate, it just saves some memory. Then you want to make sure you've got your output selected, and we'll go here in this folder. I'm just right back to where it is. It's just because of the test. But you just want to make sure you've got the right hard drive selected and the right folder selected for that. And you can click save. And I'm just going to replace that just because it's a test. Then if you want, you could do more videos. Like let's say you want to do another one. That's not the right one. Looking for. Here we go. Let's say I want to do, let's say I wanted to do another file. So I'll just grab this one, do it here, I'll pull up, and there we go. So now if I wanted to do two videos, it'll be right here. And just make sure I got the right output source selected for that, because it'll be different every time. So you just want to make sure you've got that selected. Then once you're ready, you hit play, and it'll start encoding the first file. And down here, it'll give you a preview, how much time it has taken, and then how much time it will take. And it's more or less a rough estimate. You want to check the video after it's done encoding to make sure the audio and the video line up and there's not other problems, because sometimes this will fail and it'll show like only a red screen and no audio or some other weird stuff. So you just want to make sure that it's correct and it's the right video. And that's what you do.